I can direct traffic wherever I want just by using AI to help redistribute all of my content. So showing you guys how to do all of this, I basically use AI such as this tool called Opus Clips to redistribute content onto all of these accounts that you can see here. And I have a lot more, but I'm not going to show you all of them. So to do that, basically I upload a long form video such as this one or all of these here actually, which you can see are my past videos, and I upload them to Opus Clips. So you're going to press home and you can get a link to Opus to create an account in the description. So first you're going to upload a YouTube video link like you can see here. For example, I'll take this one, share and copy, and you're going to want to paste it right in here. Or you can upload your own video, doesn't really matter. And once you upload it, it's going to pop this up. So you can click the time frame in which you want it to be clipped. You can pick whatever frame you want. Personally, I just leave it how it is and I just press get clips in one click. You can use one of these two, it doesn't really matter. Just click and it's going to do that for you. It takes about 2-3 minutes. And once you get those clips, it's going to look exactly like this one, for example. You're going to get rankings on the side for each clip that you get. And if you scroll down, it gives you multiple. For example, this one gave me 5 because it was a different type of clip. It was clip basic, but with clip anything, you'll get up to like 20 clips, for example. Like for example, this one gave me a bunch of clips right here. Pretty sure this one gave me 11 clips. Yeah, look at that, 11 clips, which is 11 days worth of content. So what I like to do is take 2 to 3 videos and I like to clip them all up and then post 2 to 3 times a day on each of my accounts. And that's how I've been getting a ton of traction to all of my affiliate links. And once you actually get the clips, you can edit it if you want. Usually mine are pretty good. So I press publish on social and I click all of the accounts I want to publish to. I put in the title, I put in the description, and I just schedule it for whenever I want it to be published. And I do this for 2 to 3 times every single day. And it's pretty insane how many people you can actually reach with this, especially if you're posting 2 to 3 times. So just to show you guys, if I click on analytics, if I click on all of the accounts, or not all, but these are some of the accounts, keep in mind, these aren't all, these are just some. And there's good days, there's bad days. But the point is to redistribute so you can get more eyes on you. Your main content, which you can see, for example, here, I'm getting some views, right? But let's say you redistribute this content. You can get this views times 2, or times 3, or times 4, or even thousands like you see right here. I got like around 5,000 views this day, which is pretty crazy just by redistributing. And that doesn't count my main channels as even. So that point is just to get more eyes on you, to get more traffic to whatever you're promoting, whatever you're selling, or it's just build a connection, to build a following, whatever you want to do with it. So another way you can do this is by using AI tools such as this one that I have in my checklist right here, which you can also get in the description. I use all of these tools to promote, and you can use these tools as well. You can get the link and you could promote it and make monthly revenue doing so. So you can take one of these tools, for example, you can promote it with your content like you see here. You can redistribute it with Opus Clips. But before you promote to people, you're going to want to give them a bunch of value like I do here. And you're going to want to get them into your free offer. So for example, me, I have a beacons link right here. So I'm going to click that. This is what most people would click. I have over 100K views reached, or sorry, accounts reached within the last 30 days. So imagine those 100K people clicked on this link right here. They're going to be greeted with my free offers. So I have a free SaaS Success Blueprint. This is my free guide. I have free pitch scripts. Then under that, I have a course. I have Go High Level free for 30 days. And I have a free list of SaaS strategies that they can use, which actually goes to my newsletter, which I've been promoting, and I've gotten over 700 subscribers within 1 month, which is pretty crazy. So they already trust you enough to get your free offer. Now they just want to know more about you. They need to get into that point where they actually want to buy from you and they convert from a viewer into an actual purchase. So to do that, you're going to want to most likely create a newsletter or some type of community like I have. I have a Discord community full of amazing like-minded individuals who want to make money with AI. So you can use ChatGPT or Claude to actually write amazing things for you. So for example, let's say you want to write a newsletter, such as the ones that I write here. I can go to ChatGPT or Claude and I can say, write me a newsletter about Go High Level features, let's say. And as you can see, it's going to write pretty much everything for me. I don't even need to do anything else. It's going to give me all of this for free, and I can just copy and paste this into Go High Level or whatever you're using to send emails, and it'll just send the email to them, just like that. You don't even need to do anything. And another cool thing a lot of people don't use this for is for Twitter tweets, or for, sorry, X now. For X's or tweets, whatever you want to call it, and for YouTube community posts, which I don't see a lot of people using. I recently started using it and I like it so far. So you can use it for this as well. And you can use this to drive some traction as well. So I actually have all of this inside of my checklist. I have the AI tools that you can use to actually create all of this content right in the morning as soon as you wake up. So it's all done for you for the rest of the day. And it's that simple. You don't even need to do much. And then the content, which is the video content, is already being automated for you 2 to 3 times a day. You just schedule it, take one day, and bulk it all out. Or you can hire a VA like I'm about to do, because I'm getting to the point where I have a good amount of accounts and I'm making some good monthly revenue from it. So I can hire a VA to do that for me, and I can focus on things that are making me even more money. So that's the strategy I've been using to drive a bunch of traffic into my affiliate links. So hopefully this video is valuable. You can use the checklist to actually use all of these AI tools and promote them to get monthly revenue. Use the same strategy that I'm using for video content, Opus Clips. For text content, you can use ChatGPT or Claude AI and promote your newsletters, and do it with YouTube community. Use it on X posts, on Facebook, anything you want. There's just so many ways you can push content out there. And that's where people are, if you think about it. Everyone is on their phone nowadays. So just use the strategy. Promise you, you'll get results if you stay consistent for at least 1 to 2 months. You'll definitely get at least one person. So, and you'll build a good following. So hopefully this video is valuable. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.